a low, constant humming noise, heard around the world. No origin, no explanation. They call it the hum. From Canada to the UK, Australia to Korea, people report hearing a strange droning sound. It vibrates walls, keeps people up at night. Some say it causes headaches or even madness. But here's the twist: not everyone hears it. Scientists have blamed everything from power grids and underground pipes to military communication systems, but no one has proven a source. And in some towns like Taos, New Mexico, dozens of people hear it at the same time. But microphones pick up nothing. Is it global infrastructure, mass hysteria, or is Earth actually humming? The truth remains unheard.